Okay, so the first thing you do is log on to learningapps.org. When you've got your login, you click here and put in your details. Or register a new account as you will be doing. The next thing you do, you can browse apps. Okay, depending on subject, or you can go straight in and create an app. I'm going to create a matching pairs app on top Dublin tourist attractions. So I want to create a new app and welcome Dublin, match the tourist attraction to picture. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is look for the images first. Notice that I can put in a URL, I can drag and drop the image, or I can search for an image. So I'm just going to do something quite simple and search Dublin. So this is the library, Trinity and the Hackney Bridge. So I'm going to pick Trinity College first and use this. And then add text that will match it. And now I'm going to do another element. Image again, search Dublin, and we'll go with the Halfpenny Bridge. Add another element. I will go with Molly Malone statue. And I'm going to search the image this time. So we'll search statue Dublin. There she is. Use this. Okay, and we're going to do one more. And this time I'm going to use an image from a file. So I'm going to click to select. And in pictures, I've got a Learning Apps file, and I'm going to go for Grafton Street and open. It's just taking its time. Go OK, and then put in the text. Okay, I can choose to add hints if I wish, but I don't. I can also choose to make the matching pairs disappear, and I'm going to do that. And I can attach cards one above the other or alongside, so I'll go one above the other. And the feedback is great, you found the solution. Okay, I'm going to finish editing and show a preview. So match the tourist attraction to the picture. So there we have the 4 tourist attractions, the pictures and the text. And then I'm going to save the app. Okay, I can choose to give the students a web link, or I can embed it into Moodle if I wish. So for this, I am going to embed it. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to copy. I'm going to go into my Moodle, and this is my Reach Moodle page. I'm going to turn on editing. And in the introductions or anywhere, I'm just going to add an element. So add activity, and I'm going to add a label. Okay. I'm going to use this button here. So if the additional elements don't turn up, I can just click that, and I'm going to use this edit HTML source. Click on that, paste my code, and update. And then I'm going to save and return to course. This means that I don't have to share the long URL with my students. They can go directly onto Moodle and they can complete the activity. Okay, so going back to this, that app has been successfully saved in My Apps, but I can also put it into a course if I so wish. Okay, so I hover over it and you can see I can edit it and I can move it to a folder. And I can move it to my class folder as well. So I'm going to move it to Reach 1. And that means that any student that I have that's in Reach 1, my class, that has access will be able to log on and play. At the moment, none of the students have an account. I would have to invite them.